Look, your income went up, so you upgraded your life a little, better food, better clothes, nicer subscriptions, and somehow, you still feel broke. Yeah, that's not random. My name is Victoria, and I spend way too much time thinking about how lifestyle inflation quietly destroys your wealth. If you're someone who makes more money but never seems to keep it, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Here's the thing. Every time your income goes up, your lifestyle follows. You don't notice it. But your normal keeps getting more expensive. Here's what most people don't realize. That upgrade becomes permanent. Let's say you start spending just $300 more per month after a raise. That's $3,600 a year. Invest that instead at 10% for 30 years. That's over $600,000 gone. Yeah, from small upgrades. So why does this happen? Because your brain adapts fast. It's called the hedonic treadmill. What once felt like luxury becomes normal. According to research, most people return to the same happiness level after income increases, so you spend more. But don't feel richer. Now you might be thinking, so I'm not supposed to enjoy my money? No, that's not the point. The problem isn't upgrading. It's upgrading everything. Here's what actually works. When your income goes up, lock in your current lifestyle. Invest the difference first and only upgrade one thing at a time. Intentionally. Look, wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Control this one habit, and you stop money from slipping through your hands. Follow for more real money advice.